Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Google Analytics for any website. If you're looking to track your website's performance and gain insight into your audience behavior, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll take you through the steps required to set up Google Analytics on your website, from Google creating a Google Analytics account to installing the tracking code. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open your Google Analytics. If you search over here, google.com/analytics. Once you search this, you will end up over here, as you can see, and this is the website where you can just create your account. So on the top right corner, we can see that get started today. Click on that. It will open up new page, and here you can just click on start measuring, and here we are. Obviously you can just go with the same account which you are using, and if you have multiple accounts, they will ask you to choose an account from Google accounts, right? So I have only one over here, so I'm going with this one, and my new account name. So you need to name over here, obviously. So I'm going to write, obviously, like very basic. Obviously this is an example which I'm showing you right now over here. So I'm going with my account why. So why not? So the next thing is account data sharing and settings. So you need to allow every single thing if you want, like Google products and services. If you want to like enable this, you can just do that just by one click. Obviously these are some updates and data sharing about that, and we have benchmarking, technical support, and account specialist. After that, go with the next one, and we have our property name. You just need to enter details about like creating a Google Analytics for property to measure your website and app data. You need to enter details all over here with your reporting time zone and currency. If you click on this, you can see that we have a lot of currencies over here which you can choose from. And after that, if you want to click on obviously show advanced options, if you click on this, you will see that create a universal analytics property. What it does, the universal analytics property is a part of an earlier version of Google Analytics, and only to support web measurement. It is not recommended for new analytics users, so obviously you don't need this, and it will not support an app measurement. So just click on this and hide this, and you can just go with the name, and I'm gonna fill this out. So once you are here, if you click on next, you will end up over here, which is your last option, is about your business and business information. Help us tailor your experience by answering the following. You can just select the industry whatever you are working for, and select that industry from over here. You have your business size, how many employees you have, like 1 to 10, small, 11 to 100, medium, 101 to 500, large, and 101 plus is very large. So you can just go either one of them, whatever your business have and how many business employees you have. You can just go with that, and you have your how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. So they are asking like how you are going to use it to optimize your site or experience or tracking or anything, increase your conversions, whatever you are going for. Just click on that, and that doesn't mean you cannot click multiple. You can just go either with any one of them, and after that, just simply click on create. Once you've done that, you will end up over here, and this is where you will find yourself once you create your account. So as you can see, we can see over here we have tracking ID, which we will use to add everywhere to connect our website or application. This tracking ID is very crucial, so obviously you need to hide this, and this coding is also useful. So you can go either one of them. Obviously ID is very useful, and if you don't see this ID, usually what happens, once you create your account and it will take you right over here, but unfortunately sometimes it doesn't do that. So if you don't end up over here, what do you need to do? You need to click on top left corner home, and after that you need to scroll down until you see admin. Once you see admin over here on the bottom left corner, as you can see, click on that, and obviously you will end up over here again, and you just need to click on tracking info and click on tracking code. This is your tracking code and info, every single thing related to it. But what if you want to, obviously you want to connect this, right? You want to connect this ID. How you can connect this to Wix? Just for an example, we are going to take Wix, and if you have a Wix ID, how you are going to connect your Google Analytics with Google Analytics tracking ID, and how you can just paste that over there. And it's very simple. So let's do that real quick. So as you can see over here, we are at wix.com, and this is the activity menu on the left side. But if you see, there are an option for like marketing and SEO. So if you click on that, we will have more options over here. And what we are looking for, we are looking for marketing integration. Click on that, and the first thing you will see that we have Google Analytics. So how you can connect that and how you are going to do that. So I'm going to click on connect right now from over here. Once you click on connect, you will end up over here, and you can just add Google Analytics ID from over here. But unfortunately, I don't have premium plan to connect, obviously, and but you just need to add that verification ID or tracking ID, whatever you can say. You can just copy that and add that over here, and that's how you can just track your Wix website from over here. But if you want to track on WordPress, there is a particular what we can say plugin which you need to choose, and that's what I'm going to show you right over here. And if you come to your WordPress, you can see plugins option on the bottom left corner. Go to add new. Once you click on that, it will take you to the place where like you can just add multiple plugins. Obviously, scroll down and you need to search over here. You need to search Monster Insights, and you need to create also an account for Monster Insight. So this is what Monster Insight looks like. If I click on this and wait for a while, this is how it looks like, and this is the #1 Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. So obviously this is by Google Analytics, and you need to create an account for this Monster Insight, and then you can just do that every single thing. Obviously you just need to paste and like your tracking ID, and that's it. You can just track your WordPress ID also, or website, So that's it for this tutorial on setting up Google Analytics for any website. By now you should have a better understanding of how you can create your Google Analytics account and generate a tracking code and install it on your website. Remember, tracking your website's performance is key to making data driven decisions and improving your website's overall performance. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful and helpful tutorial and tips. Bye bye. Take care.